In today's video, I am going to teach you how to clean up profiles on Klaviyo. To start, log into your Klaviyo account and look at the left-hand navigation. Go to Audience, then select Lists and Segments. This is where you can create a segment that collects the profiles you want to clean up, based on engagement rules. Next, click Create List/Segment, and choose Segment. You are building a filtered group, not a static list, so a segment is the right option for ongoing cleanup work. When the segment setup opens, give it a clear name. Use Cleanup, so it is easy to recognize later. Then choose the condition type called Someone's Proximity to a Segment. This option lets you build your cleanup segment based on whether people are already part of an existing segment. Now set the proximity rule. Choose Is In, then select the default Klaviyo segment called Unengaged, 90 days. This targets profiles that have not been engaging for the last 90 days, which is a common starting point for list hygiene. Using Klaviyo's default unengaged segment helps keep your criteria consistent and avoids guessing at what counts as inactive. Once that rule is set, click Create Segment. Give Klaviyo a moment to generate the results. After it loads, you should see the profiles that match the unengaged criteria. From here, you will export the segment so you can use it for suppression. In the top right, click Manage Segment, then choose Export Segment to CSV. Save that CSV file somewhere you can find quickly since you will upload it in the next part. Now go back to the left-hand navigation and click Audience, then Profiles. This section is where Klaviyo allows bulk actions on profile records. On the Profiles page, choose Bulk Delete and Suppress. Then select Suppress Profiles, and choose Upload CSV. Upload the CSV you exported from the cleanup segment. Double-check that you are using the correct file before you submit, because suppression affects deliverability and messaging eligibility. After the upload completes, Klaviyo will suppress those profiles so they no longer receive email. This is a clean way to protect your sender reputation while keeping the profile data available if you ever need it for reporting. And that covers everything you need to know.